Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete search history in Google Chrome. So what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click the three bars at the top right. And basically you're going to be able right here to see the history. Go ahead right here and click the history, and you're going to see the history information or the history browsing your Google Chrome. Basically the Google Chrome and Brave have the same settings. So just go ahead and do it. So you're going to see right here on the left in the left top, you're gonna be able to, last option is gonna see delete browsing data, and then you're gonna just wait it out for a few moments right here. Okay, and you're gonna see a pop-up window appearing in front of you, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead into the settings and privacy straight away to delete the browsing data. If you want to delete browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, cached images, if you want to delete passwords and other sign in, autofill from data, site and shield settings, you can just do it on your own time. And you're gonna just go ahead and hit delete data, and you can just go ahead to the basic. There's a level to deleting your browsing right here. You can delete the basic 3 right here, cookies and browsing cached images, or on the exit you can just go ahead and select whatever data that you want to delete. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.